Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you use standby mode in your iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, if you have updated your software to the latest version of iOS 17, here I will show you how can you enjoy standby mode in your iPhone. So guys, here you can see the beautiful appearance on my iPhone. It is standby mode on my iPhone, which is working right now. So guys, here I will show you how can you also use it. So guys, first of all, open your device, and from here open up your settings, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap on standby. Here it is. And from here you have to simply turn this toggle on if it is off. So guys, if it is off, you have to simply turn this on. So guys, after this what you have to do is that simply go back to your home screen, and from here lock your screen or your device and put your device in the horizontal mode or a landscape mode. Here you can see this, and after this you have to simply connect your charger with your device. So guys, simply connect the charger with your device, and after this wait for a few seconds. So guys, make sure that your device is locked. So guys, after this you can see the standby mode is working right now. Wait for some seconds. Here you can see this, the landscape mode is now active on my iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also use standby mode in your device. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.